You gotta show them what you're eating first.
I did.
Hit him with the almond. Hit him with the almond.
You have ranch with everything.
Not with everything. Like, I don't like it with cereal. Ranch with cereal? Oh, God. That probably would have been so nasty.
If you put that all over that, I'm gonna be like, yeah, look at this dude.
How would you mean, look at this dude? Okay, that's not working, so the ranch is gone, so time for ketchup.
You like ranch with that?
What?
You like ranch with that?
Yeah.
I don't want to pee.
Oh, God.
So, turn it upside down like it's supposed to be. I'll be right back. I'm going to pick Annalisa.
Alright. Okay.
Y'all gonna be making a mess, so don't touch that stove because it's hot.
Okay. Is the chicken nuggets good?
What are you doing in my leg?
Huh?
What are you doing in my leg?
Jax.
Boy. Looking at your 5-year-old birthday party.
You're supposed to do this for mukbangs. Like, show what you're eating inside.
French fries. Look, I got the song "Hit 'em with the onomatopoeia" in my head. Hit 'em with the onomatopoeia.
Mom, I don't like this tea with lemon. Look, guys. Okay. Oh. Guys, look at this.
This tea.
It's nasty. Alright, try it.
All you did is good.
It tastes like cough medicine.
Boom. Look what? I'll do this. I'll drink it. I'll do it, and I want to go watch.
Alright, straight face. Look, guys. What's up, Trey?
What's up, bro? I look like I'm a shepherd. Ain't that?
Guys, look.
Don't I got the mic? I'm a shepherd. Don't look like I'm a shepherd. With that beard. Super nice.
Do you know?
Wow.
I want to say it, but the camera's on.
What do you want to say? Hold on, I'll be back. But, okay. Come on.
Look here.
Okay, I'll be back.
Bro, I didn't show you the other one that you made. No. I'm just kidding, I don't know. Because I got more than you. Bro.
Comment down in the comment section. This is the next article.
Like down in the comment section if you like. chicken, and fries, and ketchup. And subscribe if you like it.
Out of my pia.
You just eat. Well, you talk a little bit. I forgot about my fork.
Yeah, I don't want those. Put them back on that thing, okay?
Okay.
Don't
Alright.
put them in the trash.
You want to pick up Annalise?
Yeah. Hey, what you doing?
Who, me?
Yeah. Cracking your nugget.
What? What did you say?
So what are you doing? Cutting up my nuggets? Yes, yeah.
So what?
Is that you cutting up my nuggets? I know.
He cutting up his nuggets over here. Story time. What? Yes, you can add story times, or you can not do story times and just eat. Bruh, we can get a lot of money by doing this. Like, we can get like $100 bills and stuff.
You drink up 2 glasses of grape juice. I know you got the TT. Yeah. I'll give you 2 cookies of TT.
Story time. The story name is when my first kiss. Okay. That nigga, I was in preschool. And I liked this girl, and this girl liked me. So we went behind the shelf.
Oh!
And then
Me? I had mine. First grade.
wait, you had your first kiss in first grade?
Yes, dude.
I had my first kiss in preschool.
Preschool. But you had yours 2 years before I did. Bruh. Okay, guys. My story is this girl like me, right? And I like her. So one day, we went out to recess. And the teacher blew the whistle, and we had to go in. So we quickly went behind the slide, and everybody was gone, lined up, right? And me and her was making out, and then we almost got caught because the teacher came over there. We almost got caught, right? And then the next day, another girl came up to me. We went behind the slide at the same girl. Me and her went to the slide. And guess what? We did the same thing. I did it with 2 girls, and they both liked me. And I still got a girlfriend. Her name is Jadiana. Her name is.
Why would you do that? You know my phone was sitting right there.
I didn't know your phone.
Whoa.
God darn.
Yeah.
So the next day, we was a class, right? And we had our shelves up, like our privacy shelves, so we wouldn't look at other people's work. And me and her created our own symbol. It was this. And when we did this, that means she wanted me to do this. So
Bad. At least my first kiss, I didn't almost get caught. I didn't get caught.
I was just a kid. I didn't get caught. So my friend right here had his first kiss in preschool. He said he liked this girl, and the girl liked him, right? So
we went behind the shelves.
they went behind the shelves, and the teacher came in. And then they asked where Trey and the other girl was. And one boy snitched on them and said they're behind the shelves, right?
So we ran.
So they ran, and they ran out the front door. They went outside where they have recess, and they started doing it. And then
She said,
and then the principal went out there. He didn't know where they were because they was hiding behind a tree. And the tree was very hollow. So you couldn't see people. You couldn't see people through it. So the principal finally went to the tree and found them sitting up in the tree. KISSING. So that's the story of my boy right here, first kiss.
This we ran. We just went behind the shelf, and then we started getting it down. Well, she said,
yeah, guys. Oh yeah, just one story time. Me and this kid.
Makai. Makai?
What's his last name?
I don't know.
Makai P. What's his last name? Starts with a P.
Makai. Peterson?
No, Makai Price. Me and this kid, Makai Price. I'm gonna get into a fight because he said at lunchtime he was gonna beat me up. So he put his hands on me. I took that dude. I grabbed my shirt like this, and I threw him into the wall.
Really? Makai trying to pick on people?
And Makai talking about.
This one time he was picking on my girlfriend. I said, boy, who you picking on with your ugly back? And he said, I'm picking on this girl. What are you gonna do about it? So I punched him. And he said, oh, what are you doing?
Guys, that story about me having my first kiss really wasn't real, and the story about me fighting this kid really wasn't real. So
Me and Makai is real.
So the story that my dude had right here
It's real.
was real.
And
So
then I punched him and said, why'd you do that? And I said, what do you think, you idiot? And then I grabbed him, I went boom, and I shoved him on the floor. And then we started running. We started running.
guys, this is your story right here.
No, he's just gonna tell you a lie.
No, I'm not.
Oh, we started running.
I promise to
See, I
Jesus.
can still talk. We was running. We had tripped, and then the teacher caught us. And then we had to go to the principal's office. And we both told a lie. So we had to call our parents. And the truth out of us. And they still didn't catch us.
Guys, I promise to God and I promise to Jesus, the story right here that I'm about to tell you is 100% real. So me and this kid came back from science, standing in line, holding our pouches, when this kid in front of me, he looked back, slapped my pouch out of my hand, and then he stepped on my shoes. And I was like, why'd you do that, bro? And he was like, because I wanted to. And I was like this. I was like,
who do you think you messed
I
with?
punched him. I kicked him, and then he punched me, and I punched him back, and he punched me, and then I punched him in his gut. And then he went into the teacher's classroom crying. And the teacher said, Makai, why are you crying? And he said, Mrs. Coons, Jamal punched me. And I was like, that's a straight up lie. He was like, oh yeah, look at the camera footage. And I was like, oh man, I forgot we had cameras. And guys, the rest of the story is real except for that part when he came into the classroom crying. That part was fake. But the rest was real. And he didn't tell Miss Coons. Because somebody snitched on me.
And this is how you hit him with an onomatopoeia.
Do it.
Look, this is how you hit him with an onomatopoeia.
Can I use that last thing so I can do something real quick?
No.
It's about to be cool.
No.
I'm about to do a triple decker.
No.
So guys, this next story was my first day of school. I sat down in my seat, right? These girls looking at me strange. They was like this. They was like, and I was like, why I say that like that? And they kept on doing this. They was like,
You know we've been recording for 17 minutes.
how you know?
It says it right here on the screen.
I have to. So that's the end of my story time, guys.
Well, this is gonna be hard to believe, but this is true.
What is it, God? What is it, bro?
It all happened at lunchtime when my mom came to eat with me. We had Dairy Queen. This kid kept asking for some. And my mom kept saying no. So he took my cup and my mom's cup. He threw it on the floor. So,
Wait, guys.
I pushed him down off the bench.
Wait, guys, I'll be back.
And my mom said, that's what you get. My mom said, that's what you get, B-I-T-C-H.
Wait, guys, I'm coming back.
That's the end of my story.
I'm gonna get some water, guys, this way, okay?
Ew.
This filter right here just takes too long to fill up, guys, so.
This tea is the bomb.
No, it's not. It tastes like cough syrup, and it smells like cough syrup.
It smells like cough syrup, but it doesn't taste like it.
Yes, it does.
To me, it doesn't.
Then you're weird. My mom back already?
I could go sleep.
No, Trey. No, I'm just kidding. She's not back.
Yeah, she's the one who's the light.
That's the light on the porch. Subu, threw it on her shoes. So wow. So guys, the way me and Troy did this mukbang is I told him about it, and I said we can make a lot of money doing this, and he said, "Oh, let's do it then." So we did it. Blah blah blah. Fun. And we came up to this. Now, I think 2 days ago, maybe 3 or 1, I did a mukbang Yesterday I did a mukbang on the Mexican food mukbang. Now I'm doing fries and corn dog mukbang. So
Last time I saw this dude, I felt so bad. His friend was over. He kept roasting people. And this dude was sick. I felt so bad that I offered to stay the extra night with him.
yeah, guys. So the kid that was roasting me was Manny Moore. He was roasting people, right? He kept playing a game, and I said,
threes.
and I said, "Can I play?" He was like, "No, I'm playing." And then
That's his
and then it's my Xbox. So, and he finally gave me a controller, and guess what? He took so long to give me my turn that I was asleep. And he should have gave me a controller earlier because
Actually, they went to Castaway Bay.
yeah, we went to Castaway Bay together. He nearly drowned me, didn't he?
Yeah. So I went boom. So I had to get in. I went boom.
And because
I happened to look over, and I see his, and I go underwater with my goggles on. All I see is Joey going, ooh. And I saw that was Manny. So I went up, boom, I pushed Manny out the way.
that really didn't happen because he didn't have goggles.
I know.
But Manny, no. So you done already? You done?
Yeah, it stopped for some reason. What is this video recording unavailable?
Oh,
Well, I'm about to post this market.
and do another mukbang.
I'm about to go boom. Why doesn't it show my mukbang?
Let me see.
I didn't post it.
Ah.
In the middle of the pot, get off me.
So, I was swimming underwater, guys. Mandy gonna come up. He knew I was underwater. He gonna come up and swim over me. And I was trying to get out. I finally listened to music while I'm trying to do my mukbang. So, this was just a corn. This was just the Trey, do your mukbang. Just try to.
I tried to and it wouldn't work.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about, you idiot?
Alright, do it. Okay, I'm a beaver.
You're nasty.
Oopsie.
You're sure nasty. All I did was fart.
Bored. Probably because you took up too much storage in your thing.
I'm gonna show you how many pictures I have. I have 34 pictures and 8 videos.
That's how you the problem.
Bruh.
Okay, guys. This was just a mukbang for the chicken nuggets. I'll do another mukbang right now for the fries.